So, anew from the crypto telegraphs, Bitcoin, the BTC, needs to recover 10,000. The price absolutely must reach 10,000 before a new cycle of price discoveries, which is, all completely normal. Up until this point, the news has a 10 out of 10 chance of being correct. If we were at 98, we'd have to go through 10,000 before reaching the bullion. That makes a lot of sense. A cryptocurrency trader claims that returning to 10,000 is necessary for Bitcoin for us to confirm a new upward trend. We'll get it. What Twitter says, we don't have his name, but hey, we'll get it, this thing. So he says we must reach 10,000 to have a new upward trend. Totally logical. For the moment, there's no discovery, the four-wheel drive button. That makes sense what he's saying. So we're going to analyze Bitcoin to go and see if we want to go further. So Bitcoin, what it did for us, it offered us a new ATH, all-time high. So we buy the bullion, the indicator, we sell the high, the indicator, we push the back on the indicator. You see here? So we went down, boing, middle of the indicator, boing, up here, the indicator, 2.7, Crypto-Quebec. We come back to the bullion, the indicator, we buy the low, and we sell the middle of the channel. Why? Well, here it's a 9 a.m. I'm on 4 hours, a 9 a.m. We're going. So we can see here, we can see the wicks here. Here's the middle of the indicator. So we push the back. Well, you see the 9 a.m. Here's the line 2.7. It's more parallel. Boing, 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 boing. I said boing everything. This here is a resistance. To break through that, we need 9 a.m. So if we look here, we're making the wicks. So now we're arriving in this zone. This is a short zone. Now what's going to happen is, in my opinion, we're going to go down here to 9.3 to test the lower wicks. If we look at the lower wicks here, this is this here. We're arriving in these zones.
The top four tokens, we have obviously USDT, but we see that here, the bottom 3 out of 4 are at the bottom. And this is because of the hack. And there was a need to buy back Ethereum to replenish the reserves. I think we bought back around 500 million. So what's happening is that it's creating a false push, but otherwise the entire market is red. So when Bitcoin goes down, you have to short the market. And you short the meme coins: Sologeme, Stain, Listy, Pignote, Stain, Memes, Zerobro, Stain, Memes, Vinstein, Memes, Pippenstein, Memes, Griffinstein, Memes, Dockstein, Memes, High Size, Memes, Fatcoinstein, Memes, Stayed, Memes. You short them. They're dead. You short them. We don't care what they are. Let's get back to Bitcoin. I'm getting lost again. So here's what's happening for Bitcoin. If we look at the 4-hour chart, we'll have a good view. And it's exactly what I said. We arrive here, it becomes a short zone. We arrive in a short zone, we arrive in a short zone, we arrive in a short zone. And obviously, it's the top of the indicator. And I short the top of the indicator, and I short the bottom of the indicator. So until 10 a.m., we'll come here to the 95 zones, between 94 and 95, to make a wick. It will go down slowly. It's currently 10 a.m. in the 11th hour, so it will go down slowly. So we'll short all the meme coins, all the scrap. We'll short that.